Photos rooting in a jar of water.
It is a nice green site all year long. One of my Photus plant on the fridge, which I'm about to cut the branch at the end, that's gonna be very suitable for rooting. I'm cutting the branch with a sharp angle to have a white surface touching the water for easy rooting. And I'm tearing 2 leaves to have a clean branch. We'll take a simple jar with water straight from the tap and we'll stick the branch into it. We can leave it any place at home for a while. After 2 weeks you can already see some roots and you can transplant them to a pot. I left mine for a few weeks and that's what I got. A lot of roots, which gonna make it very easy to grow. Now I take the lettuce out and I settle the roots very nice at the bottom. And I'm filling it with wet soil. This plant spent a few weeks in water and it's very used to it. The cellophane keeps it moist and after a while I'm gonna remove it. I left it in a corner in a shady place for a few weeks and we'll see how it's gonna do. Around the house I have a few Photus plants. One of them up on the fridge. Green all year long. And its branches are wrapped around the wooden railing. Another plant that I have in the bath. It's a decorative string around the heater, and the moist in the bath keeps it shining and very healthy. We can see new growth, and the dry leaves are used as compost. We can keep the plants in a shady place and it can still be happy. You can keep the Photus in a variety of ways. You can hang it in the air, you can put it in a big pot that's gonna look like a jungle. And as I said, it's green all year around. Poatus rooting, piece of cake and fun. Subscribe into my channel, hit the buoy under. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.